In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a menu to a Wix mobile site. If you are working on the mobile version of your Wix website and you can't see your menu, don't worry. In many cases, the menu is already there, but it's simply hidden on mobile. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to enter the mobile editor. Make the menu visible. Manage which pages appear inside it. And then customize the design so it fits the look of your site. Start by opening your Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the very top of the screen and click the mobile icon, which looks like a smartphone. This switches you from the desktop view into the mobile editor where you can adjust how your site appears on phones. If your menu is missing, on the left sidebar, click the Hidden on Mobile option, which is represented by an eye icon. This panel shows elements that exist on your site but are currently not visible on the mobile version. Look through the list for the mobile menu icon. When you find it, click the show icon to make it visible again. Once the menu icon appears on your mobile layout, you can drag and drop it into the position that works best for your design. Most people place the hamburger menu in the top corner of the header, since that's where mobile users usually expect to find it. Try to keep it easy to spot and not too close to other elements. If you want to control which pages appear in the mobile menu, you'll need to make those changes from the desktop view. Use the top toolbar to switch back to desktop view. Then, on the left side, click Menus and Pages. After that, select Manage Menu. Here, you can reorder pages, add pages, or delete pages from the menu structure. This is important because the mobile menu pulls its page list from the main site menu. Any changes you make here will automatically sync to your mobile site, so you don't need to rebuild the menu separately. When you are done managing the pages, go back to the mobile editor. Click on the mobile menu icon, then select Design. This is where you can customize the look of the menu, including things like colors, border radius, and the appearance of the icon when it's open or closed. Adjust these settings so the menu matches your site branding and stays easy for visitors to use. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.